First thing on the test says write each logarithm in expanded form. Do you know what that means? So, if I have log base 6 of 10xy, you have a dirty mind?
I said Eli, not me.
E-E-K.
You're a
I am.
So, boys,
log 6 log C?
log base 6 of 10 plus log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of y.
Indeed, huh?
Did you do it on your homework?
I did.
Yeah.
Then makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So what if I have ln of x squared over y squared z? How would I write this in expanded form?
2ln
2 ln of x
minus 2y, or 2ln of y
2 ln of y.
plus ln of z.
Well, if I do plus, then it has to be this with parentheses, right? Do you all know this? That should be some easy points, right? The next thing on the test says, it gives you a problem like this and says write as a single logarithm. Log x over what? Y squared?
Yes.
You're not writing this down, Caleb, do you need to? Okay. So what if I have 3 log base 2 of x minus 4 log base 2 of y minus log base 2 of, oh, that's a z. Whoa, what happened?
No calibration.
You broke it.
I broke it.
Broke it. Done break.
Whoa, I lost calibration.
Maybe you should take the time to
Recalibrate
recalibrate
it.
it real quick.
What's the answer to this? Log base 2 of what? On top,
Yes.
x cubed
Over.
over y to the 4th. It's only that side that's lost its calibration.
Maybe you just need to use whiteboard.
Yeah, right. What? Are we good with that? All right. That is the first 8 problems of the test. So we ought to start with a good grade, right? I hope so too.
I said that about pastors, and look how they turned out. Too bad.
I mean, as long as you start with a good grade and you finish with a good grade.
Well, me back for just a split second.
You can just remember it.
I don't have a photographic memory, I'm sorry.
Remember how you had to memorize the thing where you couldn't touch your arrows to the...
All right.
I wrote a note for that.
For the next group of problems, the directions are solve the equation, round to 3 decimal places. All right, round to 3 decimal places. So what if I have 5 x equals 80.
Log both sides.
When I have x as an exponent, or a letter as an exponent, to solve it, don't I log both sides? So log base 5 of the x equals log 80. Now what?
Move the x out front.
X log 5 equals log 80.
Divide them up.
So what does x equal? 3.723?
3.7.
2.723. Okay? So can we go a little bit harder? Okay. What if I have 125 equals 4 to the x plus 5? Before I can log both sides, what do I have to do?
Minus 5.
So 120 equals 4 to the x. Now what? What do I do now?
Put the x in front and then divide by about 4.
So log 120 equals x log 4. What is x?
3.453.
You all agree? Okay. How do I solve this? Don't I need to get what's raised to a power by itself?
Yes.
How?
5 by 8.
So 1/4 equals e to the negative 2x.
L in both sides.
What?
L in both
L in both sides. Because it's an e, I have to L in. So what does ln of 1/4 equal? No, wait a minute. You're ahead of me. Ln of 1/4 equals
Negative 4x.
negative 2x.
Ln of e.
So what's ln of e?
1.
1, so I don't have to write it. So now I'm going to take ln of 1/4 divided by negative 2. What is x? Right?
Negative 0.69.
Negative?
I got points.
Oh, it's negative 2. Yeah, so it's 0.69.
Yeah, that one I knew was going to be a little tricky. Is that good? Okay, what if I have something like this? Log base 7 of 2x plus 1 equals log base 7 of 3x plus 2. When they both have one word log, can I cancel out the log on both sides?
Yes.
So 2x plus 1 equals 3x plus 2. How am I going to solve for x?
Minus 1.
Minus 1? Can I subtract 2x and subtract 2? So negative 1, oops. Negative 1 equals x. Remember, when we have a problem like this, we have to check the answer we found to make sure it doesn't make it negative, right? Does it make it negative? If I put negative 1 in here, does it make this number right here negative? It cannot be negative, so my answer is no solution. Don't forget to check those. All right?
What's inside in the RPC?
Or negative.
Right.
Cannot be 0. So the log of x squared minus 5x equals log of 6.
That equals, that equals after the.
That's an equal, yes. It's, do I, oh, can I cancel the logs? So what does x squared minus 5x equal? 6. So I get it equal to 0. How do I solve this? Holly Smolten?
Yeah.
That'd be the easy way. Okay, factor it. You want to do it the hard way?
No, just in case, my calculator's not breaks.
Well, I would say that, Ethan, but I bet you're not always prepared.
That is correct.
What is x equal to?
6.
6 and negative 1. Do they work?
Yes.
Yep. So I'm good?
Good.
Don't forget to check those. All right? All right. That's really hard on calculators. You lost your program too.
Oh, really?
That's quite unfortunate.
All right. When I have a problem like this, I do not have the word log on both sides. So I need to get the word log on one side by itself.
Or minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay? So 4 log base 2 of x plus 2 equals 20. Divide by 4. Log base 2 of x plus 2 equals 5. Are you stuck?
No, you put it in.
Exponential form.
You're telling me what?
So what is that? 2 to the 5th equals x plus 2. $32 equals x plus 2. What is x? Now, will 30 work?
Yes.
Yep. All right. What are problems? You wrote a few things down. You didn't write anything. Do you? So you're gonna make an A tomorrow?
Hopefully that's the plan.
That's the plan. Okay. I hope you're right.
Plus I got this YouTube video though.
Just don't upload it to YouTube, Lachlan.
Huh?
Don't upload it to YouTube.
Then watch it scramble.
Yeah.
This and this are on the test. They're on the test. You have to know what the letters are. But it's given to you. All right. A $50,000 inheritance. $50,000 is invested for 20 years. It's compounded quarterly. Can't spell quarterly. And grows to $104,000. Find the interest rate. You all know how to set it up? Well,
No.
104,000 equals 50,000 times 1 plus r over, what's n? 4 to what power?
4 times 20, so
80. What should I do? .08. 2.08 equals 1 plus r over 4 to the 80. I have got to get rid of the fact that something is raised to the 80th power. The only thing I can do is raise both sides to the reciprocal power, which is what? So I raise this side to the 1 over 80, and this side to the 1 over 80. So this equals 1 plus r over 4. What is 2.08? 1 to the 1/80th? 1.009. Is that what you all got?
Yep.
What am I going to do now? Minus what? 0.009 equals r over 4. Multiply by 4?
Yep.
So I think r is 3.6%.
Is it gonna say all the test stuff on the
Well, an interest rate, you always round to a 10, but pretty much everything else does. Okay, one more problem?
Another one of those.
What?
Another one of these, because I can get these.
All right. This time, we're going to have $15,000. You just like money.
I mean, doesn't everybody?
$15,000 it's going to earn 6.5% interest compounded continuously. It's the E one. How long does it take it to triple? If I start with 15,000 and it triples, how much do I have? 45,000 equals 15,000 e to the 0.065t. Can I divide by 15,000? So 3 equals e to the 0.065t. Now what? ln? ln of 3 equals 0.065t. What is t? What?
Years.
16.9 years. And guys, that's what's on the test.